Hello everyone, welcome back to Dorm Room Rebuilds. As you can see, we're back in the dorm room. Today we're going to be rebuilding the engine on the Kawasaki KX65 and hopefully get into a first start. Okay, it wasn't that quite that easy, but I did get this entire low end, including new crank, and fully assembled from eBay for 120 bucks. Everything looks good on it. I've done a full inspection, so we're gonna throw the rest of the parts on it. The clutch basket and the flywheel shouldn't be too hard. It should be relatively simple going out here. Just gonna put on all the external parts, put the cases back on, and get her up and running. So I've just finished full engine assembly. All I've got left is the spark plug and the oil cap. Got to fill her up with oil, put her all together, and then we can throw it on the bike. As you can see, it turned out pretty good. There's everything's there. It's all complete and clean. I do need to go through and scrub this down a little bit just because it's a little oily, but we're getting there. Okay, so we've got the dirt bike up here now. Time to do some final assembly, get the engine in the frame, and we'll be good to go. We're gonna just assemble it, get all the new plastics on there, get the exhaust on, then we'll take it back outside. You notice I don't have a gas tank on there because, you know, no gasoline in the dorm room. But yep, we'll get that all done and then hopefully get a first start going today. We got the oil, we got the spark plug. Let's see if we can get this bad boy to run. Now when you fill the oil, you're obviously gonna put it in right about here, and you wanna fill it up till that window right there is about halfway. Okay, we got it topped off. I don't have any coolant in it yet, so we're just gonna do a quick start, see if she fires over. Fuel on, choke out. Choke off. Hit idle. Hell yeah. Kill switch works. Ready to go. Well, that about puts a wrap on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like the video and subscribe if you want to see me do more rebuilds here in my dorm room. Have a good day.